Hi, I'm Heather, Pediatric SLP. Let's talk about speech and language developmental milestones in babies birth to 3 months. ASHA groups their milestones into 3 age ranges: birth to 3 months, 4 to 6, and 7 to 12 months. In this video, I'll cover birth to 3 months. So what should your baby be doing at this time? They should be startling to loud noises, they quiet to the sound of your voice, and they're starting to understand that your voice is familiar to them. As far as their expression, they're making cooing noises. Their cries vary in inflection based on their different needs, and they're starting to smile. But what if your baby isn't doing some of these things and you're feeling a little concerned? Don't worry, because babies do develop at different times, especially at this age. But I have a couple tips for you to do at home that are very simple. 3 tips. 1, play peekaboo with them. It's a very easy game. You just need your hands. Peekaboo. It's a super fun way to engage with them, and also it helps helps them grow their understanding of object permanence, the idea that something still exists even if they can't see it. Second tip, narrate your day. So even if your baby's not responding to you, they're still absorbing the information. They're learning new vocabulary, new concepts. So for instance, when you're headed out the door to go to the store, you could say, I'm walking to the door, getting in the car, look, I see a tree. Just talk to them. Number 3, mimic your baby's sounds. So if your baby is making some different cooing sounds, some different vowel sounds, just do the same thing right back to them. So if they're saying, ooh, ah, you do it right back to them. Ooh, ah, I hear you, you're talking. And it will encourage them to do it again. And it just really creates this beautiful back and forth reciprocal exchange of expression. Keep in mind, these are just age ranges and there's variability in the development of these skills. So if your baby is not doing one or a few of these things right now, don't worry. Just keep your eyes peeled for some of these things to start to develop in the next month or even a couple weeks, because things are changing so rapidly at this age. Singing to your baby, talking to your baby, and any face-to-face interaction with your baby right now is very important for their development. If you're curious to know what your baby's going to be doing in the next couple months, look ahead to the 4 to 6 month old milestones in the next video, and it'll give you a good idea of some next steps that you should be looking out for in your baby's development.